You don't have a weak mind, you have a distracted one. If traditional meditation actually worked for most people, you wouldn't still feel scattered, overwhelmed, or burnt out. On the left, chaos. On the right, calm, structure, control. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to build a strong, stable mind without sitting still or forcing silence. This isn't anti-meditation, it's pro-reality. By the end of this video, you'll know why meditation fails most people and what actually builds mental strength. Step 1. Stop trying to silence your mind. Start structuring it. A strong mind isn't quiet, it's organized. Don't analyze the list, just remove it from your head. Step 2. Build focus through friction, not relaxation. Life demands calm through movement. Step 3. Replace dopamine spikes with dopamine stability. Your brain isn't tired, it's overstimulated. Stillness without structure leads to rumination. Move first, structure second, reflect last. Here's a simple 7-day reset you can start today. You don't need to escape your mind. You need to train it.